In the distance you can just see Iznajar Lake. Now the driveway up to the property, this land here is owned by the property, but the neighbours do have access through this driveway, this gravelled area, to their property. Beyond these gates is private.
Hi, I'm Leslie and welcome to this property that has the most spectacular views you can imagine. It has 5 bedrooms, well it has 4 upstairs and 1 currently used downstairs, a swimming pool here, absolutely stunning gardens and immaculate inside. It's in Iznajar, which has its man-made reservoir, which has plenty of water sports, chiringuitos, which are little Spanish bars by the man-made beach, and it's only approximately 1 hour from Malaga Airport. So let me take you inside and have a look.
The property is in the classification of urbanised and residential. However, the small hamlet of, I think it's approximately 17 properties, do have a shared well. The owners tell me that even if surrounding areas are low on water, there is always consistently a good supply here. The land area of the property is 1,479 square metres and the building 203 square metres. You will see that this outdoor area consists of a beautiful pool, a tree house for children, garden areas and a storeroom. The whole property was completely renovated in 2007. As you can see, there's a log burner for the winter months. This is filmed in February, and the bedrooms have air conditioning for the hot summer months. The tiles in each of the bathrooms are all handmade.
día que voy perdiendo la razón de seguir viviendo cuando tú no estás. Sueño por la noche con volverte a ver. Ay, una vez más. Siento cada día que voy perdiendo la razón de seguir viviendo cuando tú no estás. Sueño por la noche con volverte a ver. Ay, una vez más. Siento cada día que voy perdiendo la razón de seguir viviendo cuando tú no estás. Sueño por la noche con volverte a ver. Ay, una vez más.
For further information, any questions you may have, or to arrange a viewing of the property, please contact me, Leslie, on 0034 646 004 582, ideally via WhatsApp, or you can email me on info@olivegrovesandgrapevines.com. Thank you for watching.